Hi crafters, this is Crafty Savvy and I'm back today to do another unboxing with you. I was asked by Amanda from Your Creative Studios if I would be interested in doing another unboxing, and I gladly accepted. I'm very grateful that they asked me again, and it finally came, so I'm excited to show you guys. So this is I took off any important stuff here, but this is the March box, and it's a stationery. It has stationery-like items inside. So it says right here, March 2022 stationery box vintage. So I'm excited about what's inside. I haven't looked yet. I just took the tape off the sides, and two of my favorite things, stationery items and vintage. So let's look inside and see what we got this time. Here we go. So up here is their name here, Your Creative Studio. And as always, everything is wrapped in this beautiful paper. And their lovely business card, just thanking whoever receives a box like this for your purchase. And you could easily use this card and the paper, and their packaging too is really pretty, so you could use it in your journal or projects very, very easily. So you can just put that aside. Paper is so pretty. And, ooh, lots of neat things already. All right, let's see. I love me some stationery things, anything to do with envelopes or letters and mailing and postage stamps and that sort of thing. I wonder if I could just pull this right out. There we go. So pretty. Sorry. Look. We'll use that. Okay. So, right off the bat, we have this package of, let's see. I see that there's labels of some sort, but I'm curious to see if that's just paper or stickers. Oh goodness, I can't get it. Okay. Those are so cute. They're stickers. I can see they're all, yeah, that's great. I love that. Those are cute. Canceled, approved, reject, shred. Those are nice. Oh, and then you get some washi strips, I guess. Paris. Those are cute. And those are really nice too. Sorry, I haven't looked at any of this, so I'm kind of getting carried away because I'm trying to look at it too. Those are really sweet. So those would be really fun to use on some envelopes or something like that. I'll just try to put everything here to the side. Oh, what's in there? We'll start with this stuff first now. Let's see. Masking tape. Okay, washi. This is some washi in here. Let's see. Don't really like to ruin anything because everything is usable. Oh, it's very shiny and very soft. I'm sorry about any glare, but it's super shiny. And I can't get that with my nails. Let's have a look. So just looks like, you know, watermarks or coin marks or something, all very, I'm not really sure if that's really washi though, because it's not sticky on the back. Is that odd? It says washi, but it's not sticky. Unless it's just kind of dry. I don't know. Well, I can put glue on it. I can fix that. It's really pretty. I like it very much. We'll make it work, won't we? Yeah, see, it doesn't want to stick. So, I don't know. That's okay. Nothing a little glue stick can't fix. And then we have a cling stamp. So if that's the image inside, it's like, I think a woman at maybe a writing desk. Maybe she's writing something there. Let's see. They put everything together so beautifully, like the packaging, but just the items that they choose are so nice. Okay, it's very shiny. It's got a clear, like plastic over top, but yes, it is a woman at her, I guess, writing a letter at her desk. That's super pretty. I love that. Okay, there's another, okay, let's do the packages first. Let's see, well, in here, in this little bag, is the itty bittiest little charm of an envelope with a heart on it that you ever saw. I'll just put it in my hand. It's so tiny. Like, I bet you my pinky is bigger than that. It is. But yeah, it's so cute. Love that. Just put it back in there so we don't get it lost. That's really sweet. Oh, I feel journal written all over this stuff. Cling stamp. Looks like just some like letter. Well, I'll show you. Oop. This looks like a stamp. Like a stamp of a stamp. Picture of it, like a triangular stamp. I think I even have some stamps that are in triangle shape, but I can't really make out what it is, but that's cute. And then this is just some like mail stuff, you know, you stamp that it's on the front of a letter or envelope. Maybe like a, I don't know, there's some scripty words and, you know, mail stuff. That's really pretty. I'll use that for sure. Love that one. And then this is a cling stamp, and it looks like a box that you put your mail in, and maybe an inkwell and a pen or a quill. Let's see. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. That's super cute. I love that. It says mail on the front of it there. Really, really pretty. Oh, I'm gonna have fun. Should I open this now? Should I open it now? Yeah, let's open it now. Oh no, we're gonna wait. Fooled ya. Okay, what is this? I'll put it here. Note bar sticker. There's 50 pieces in here. There's some pictures on the back, but you probably can't see that. I'll just take it out real quick. See what they are. There's a few more in there, but stickers, right? Yeah. So yeah, it's just I guess bits and bobs that you can put on your envelopes or on your letters. Just vintagey, scripty, letter-looking things, which are so fun. They're cute, just to add like a, you know, a little bit of interest somewhere, or you needed that little bit more. They're really pretty. And there's 50 of them, so lots of fun to be had. Okay, and then, oh my goodness, these are beautiful. I love me a good envelope. Okay, let's see. Oops. Paper ephemera. Oh, so pretty. Oh, that's the packaging, but look how pretty the packaging is. Love it. Oh, the papers are beautiful. So nice and thin. Isn't that gorgeous? Love the colors. So pretty. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. 6 of this pattern and 6 of this one, which is also so pretty. And then you get envelopes to go with it. It looks like there's 3 of these. So pretty. And 3 of those. What a pretty set. Look at that. I love. Those would be fun to play with. Let's put that back in there. Get everything lost. Okay. Oh, there's more envelopes. Let's see. These are pretty. They have a... Oh, actually, they have the same sort of flap. I thought they were different, but they're not. It's got a little bit more burgundy tones. Looks like some blues in there, perhaps. So, oh, isn't... Oh, the camera might not be doing any justice to that, but it's a beautiful light blue. Like a turquoisey. Oh, so pretty. This one too with carnation. Is that a carnation? Yeah. Beautiful. So I believe you get 6 and 6 of those. And then you get the envelopes. Look how pretty that is. Let's go with those. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, the packaging is so pretty too. You could make a lot of projects with their stuff. I mean, like, you know, like I said, you can make journals and just, you know, loose projects. Or this stuff would be nice to use to make like a stack, a letter stack of old, you know, vintage letters and envelopes, and just do them up with, I believe I've done something like that. If I have a video, I think, of a stack of letters that I made at one time. This would be perfect stuff to use for that. And then this is just a little sheet of stickers. The bird, or I guess carrying a letter. So sweet. Those are cute. And then there's, it feels, I don't think it's fabric. Let me see. It could be like tissue paper. It feels very thin, thinner than tracing paper, I would say. Oh yeah, super thin. I don't even think you can see the design on there. I'm not sure if they're all the same, but you get the point. You get a few sheets of those anyway. Looks like maybe 4. 5, maybe 6. I don't know. They're so thin. Anyway, those are beautiful. Those are fun to use. Okay, and now we have made it. See what this is. Exciting. It's like a pen box, but we'll see. Okay, let me take the tape off here. Scissors. Okay. Oh, it's not a pen. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Is this glass or plastic? This is plastic. This is called a a dip pen, I think. Is that right, guys? A dip pen. I'm not exactly sure. So you can use this to write with. But I don't know if it takes, I'm assuming it takes ink, right? I don't know. I'm asking somebody out there because I'm not really 100% sure, but I think it's called a dip pen. D-I-P. And do you need to use like specific ink with this? Could you use any ink? I don't know. I've never tried it. I've heard of it. I've kind of seen others, but maybe somebody can tell me more about it. Isn't that cool? So beautiful. Well, that's a nice surprise. I have to leave this out on my desk somewhere. It's so pretty. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Oh, there's a lot of beautiful stuff in here. If you like what you saw, and I'm sure you will, or you have, go over to your creative studios and look for March's box, which is called, what did I say it was called? Stationery box, a vintage stationery box. But also have a look at all of their other stuff. You saw the last box that I got was absolutely stunning, and I'm using that in different projects as I go. Yeah, you won't be disappointed, that's for sure. They have beautiful things that I guess you could just buy as frequently as you want, I think. But you could probably also do like monthly, obviously monthly subscriptions. You know, I guess that would be up to you. But yeah, I have been spoiled and by them twice now, and I love it. I love everything, and I'm very grateful. So thank you once again to Your Creative Studio, and for letting me have the opportunity to have this stuff and to do the unboxing. And I hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll go and have a look at Your Creative Studio and see what you can find. Hope you guys are all doing well. Hope to be back soon with some other projects. You never know, maybe some projects using this, for sure, I would hope to. And that's it. So take good care of yourselves, and we will talk to you all real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.